Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. I am a data privacy and emerging technology expert. I am an EM360 tech industry analyst, and I'm happy to be here. So now a lot of what I'm talking with companies about is things that I'm passionate about, which is definitely protecting humans, but also helping companies navigate how to be able to use data in ways where it does not stifle their innovation and it helps them be able to move forward in the future. Some of the common challenges that companies are facing in the data space have to do with things like data provenance and data lineage. So making sure, first of all, they have a legal right to be able to have data that they're moving into data systems, and then also tracking that data all the way through the data lifecycle. A lot of times, companies, when they have gotten data in, maybe through a business process, they're very good at collecting data, but often the data tracking and the data tracing throughout the organization gets lost. And a lot of times that lens of privacy is not there. So being able to re-engineer the way that companies think about handling data, especially of personally identifiable people, is really important. Also, I think trying to get maturity on privacy so that it does not become a barrier to adoption, whether that be a barrier to signing contracts, being able to have your product be bought and sold by particular consumers or particular businesses. Those are the types of things that I think are vitally important. People can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm Debbie Reynolds, Data Diva. Also, you can look at my website, DebbieReynoldsConsulting.com. I have a lot of free videos and resources and essays. And then also, you can always contact me through EM360 Tech.